video we are going to continue with the scrub theme and go with making a body scrub. Ideal for the time of year. As you can see, the sun is shining and we need to prepare our bodies, so removing the dead skin cells would be a good plan. So we are going to go with sugar again. Yes, sugar, because it gives you that abrasion. This time instead of white sugar we are going demerara sugar and olive oil, and I've forgotten the coconut oil because I didn't put it out because it would melt. Coconut oil again for the hydration purposes of it as well, and it feels quite nice. Also I've got some essential oils that I have in the cupboard that you can add to your body scrub for scent purposes. So, because we're making a body scrub, we're obviously going to make more than we did last time, even though we still have lots of lip scrub in the fridge. I reckon about half a cup, so this is a American cup measurement, half a cup of granulated sugar to make it a little bit coarser to use on your feet. Add a little bit of sea salt to it, I was thinking. So, how much coconut oil do you reckon? We'll go 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil, and it is already melting because of the heat.
I guess that's handy.
It is. It will combine quite nicely. So there's nearly 1/3 of a cup. Nice. Okay, so that's going to go into our bowl, and then I was thinking adding some olive oil as well. So,
would you like me to do some?
Would you like to do some? I was going to say olive oil. Shall we go and hit and miss again? 1/4 of a cup of olive oil.
Maybe I should put more sugar in then, because that's a bit too watery, I think.
Too much olive oil. Okay. So should I put another 1/4 of a cup in?
Sure.
Maybe a bit more sugar, actually.
How much more?
Please. We did 1/4 of a cup last time. Another 1/4 of a cup.
Sure.
So that was 1.5 cups of sugar, and that is going to do a lot of exfoliating. So you could add, if you wanted to, a few drops of your favourite essential oil if you have that with you. I have a collection, but I'm not sure. We're going to need quite a lot to make it smell. Oh, I can start to smell it slightly underneath.
Yeah, I wouldn't put it too much in there.
We've made a body scrub just with demerara sugar, coconut oil.
What's that? The extract that you put in?
I've just put lavender in, essential oil, just for the smell. No. So yeah, it turned out in the end was 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Then we put another 1/4 of a cup of olive oil in, and 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil, combined together to make a body scrub. So what I want you to do, and I'll go and get some water, is I have 2 already made body scrubs, one from the Body Shop and a Champneys one.
Yeah. Oh,
so,
that's a nice one.
I know.
Is that the one I got you?
Yes, it is. I'm not going to tell you which one, and I'm going to put a little bit of each one on your hand, and then use it for your hands, back of your hands, then rinse off, and tell me how it feels, as in, does it feel abrasive, does it feel like it's too dry, does it feel like
abrasive.
It's got, yeah.
Just tell me what that means.
Okay, you need to close your eyes. Okay, so this is the first one that he's going to try.
Put it in my hand?
So I'm putting it in your hand.
Wow, okay.
Okay.
What do I do?
So, open your eyes now. Pop a little bit of
Yeah?
Hands, your
Oh.
hands in the water.
Watery hands, yeah.
And then give your hands a good old scrub.
Oh, as in like this.
Mm.
Ooh! Feels rough.
Does it feel right? Does it feel too rough?
I don't know. Maybe I'm just a pussy. No, I don't think it feels too rough. It feels quite nice.
Okay, rinse your hands off.
Ooh.
And does it feel like it's removed the dead skin
nice
cells?
sound.
Yes?
Yeah, it feels quite good.
Okay. Next one. Shall I guide your hand to the water? We'll go through.
And then give my good old scrub.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
How does that one feel? In comparison to the first one.
Less rough.
So do you think it would be as effective to remove dead skin cells?
What if it wasn't so rough?
No, less as effective as the first one.
Oh. Probably not, no. But it doesn't. But the second one feels nicer.
Nicer to touch.
Nicer to touch and spread around.
Okay. Close your eyes.
I'm not looking.
Add a little bit of water.
Oh.
And how does that one feel?
This one is like, it's more.
Scratchy.
It's oily and scratchy.
It feels more scratchy.
Yeah, so it feels more like. What's the word? Moisturising.
Oh, does it?
But it's also harsh. It's like as harsh as the first one.
Oh.
But the first one was more grainy. This one had bigger grains, I think.
Yeah. So the first one
Yeah.
was the Body Shop one.
Mhm.
Which, oh, it's in my pocket. Which, that one's a sugar scrub one.
That one was quite nice.
It was quite nice.
Yeah.
The second one
This
was
the
the
one that I
shampoos
like. It smells
one,
nice.
which is actually, it does smell lovely. It's the sea salt one.
Oh damn.
And then the last one was our one.
Yeah.
So-
Demerara.
With Demerara sugar. Yeah. So that's it
Oh.
really. So,
They all kind of felt the same. It's just different grains.
yeah, and different obviously fragrances.
Yeah.
But it's as simple as that, to make your own body scrub. Get summer ready, don't forget to use your sunscreen, even in this country. SPF
Get summer
30,
ready.
please, as a minimum.
Okay.
And keep looking after yourselves, drink plenty of water, and have fun.